Hello everyone. In this video, I will share to you the very first YouTuber in the world. If you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the bell icon to notify you for upcoming videos. Me at the Zoo is the first video that was uploaded to YouTube. It was uploaded on April 23, 2005, by Karim with the username Jord, and recorded by his high school friend Yakov Lipitsky. He created a YouTube account on the same day. The 18-second video was shot by Yakov at the San Diego Zoo, featuring Karim in front of the elephants, in their old exhibit in Elephant Mesa, making note of their long trunks. Jord Karim, born October 28, 1979, is an American computer scientist and internet entrepreneur of Bangladeshi German descendants. He is the co-founder of YouTube, and the first person to upload a video to the site. After co-founding YouTube, Karim enrolled as a graduate in computer science at Stanford while still acting as an advisor to YouTube. When the site was eventually launched, Karim decided not to be an employee, but rather an informal advisor, because he wanted to focus on his studies. This inaugural video, titled Me at the Zoo, uploaded on April 23, 2005, has been viewed about 89 million times, as of April 2020. Here is the video.
Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. The cool thing about these guys is that they have really long trunks, and that's cool. And that's pretty much all there is to say.
What can you say about the first ever YouTuber in the world? Just leave a comment and reaction below. Thank you for watching.